Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Kia Rio S hatch. Stock reference number 4400. This shape runs from the 12th month 2016 through to the current shape. It has a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, front bar reinforcement, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre. The left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy park sensor type bumper. It does have some scratches on the left-hand side edge. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors have one small dent each. Right power door mirror, non-indicator type, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.